When is Independence Day celebrated in India?
Independence Day is celebrated on August 15th.
In which year did India gain independence?
India gained independence in 1947.
Who is the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister.
Where does Nehru hoist the national flag?
Nehru hoists the flag at the Red Fort.
What famous speech does Nehru give?
Nehru gives the Tryst with Destiny speech.
What famous speech does Nehru give?
Nehru gives the Tryst with Destiny speech.
How do people celebrate Independence Day?
People celebrate with flag hoisting and cultural events.
What is the significance of Independence Day?
It marks the end of British rule in India.
How do schools celebrate Independence Day?
Schools hold flag hoisting and cultural programs.
What colors are associated with Independence Day?
The colors are saffron, white, and green.
What is the national anthem of India?
The national anthem is Jana Gana Mana.
What types of performances occur on Independence Day?
Performances include dances, plays, and patriotic songs.
How do communities celebrate Independence Day?
Communities organize local parades and flag hoisting.
What role does the media play on Independence Day?
Media broadcasts speeches and coverage of celebrations.
What is Nehru's role on Independence Day?
Nehru hoists the flag and addresses the nation.
How do families celebrate Independence Day?
Families decorate homes and attend local events.
What are popular Independence Day foods?
Popular foods include sweets and traditional dishes.
How does Independence Day influence arts?
It inspires patriotic themes in literature and art.
What traditional attire is worn on Independence Day?
Traditional attire includes clothing in the flag's colors.
Does Independence Day inspire films?
Yes, it inspires films about the freedom struggle.
How do schools involve students on Independence Day?
Schools include students in cultural programs and speeches.
How are government buildings decorated?
Government buildings are decorated with tricolor lights and flags.
What is the significance of the Red Fort?
The Red Fort is the site of flag hoisting ceremonies.
What kinds of speeches are given?
Speeches highlight progress, achievements, and future goals.
How do rural areas celebrate Independence Day?
Rural areas hold simple flag hoisting and local events.
What is the mood during celebrations?
The mood is joyful and full of patriotism.
How does Independence Day affect Indian politics?
It marks the beginning of India's political autonomy.
Who are some notable leaders celebrated on this day?
Leaders like Nehru, Gandhi, and Patel are celebrated.
How do Independence Day celebrations evolve over time?
Celebrations become more elaborate and formal over time.
What role do cultural performances play?
Cultural performances showcase India's diverse heritage and unity.
How does Independence Day impact Indian society?
It strengthens national pride and social unity.
What are common Independence Day decorations?
Decorations include flags, banners, and tricolor lights.
What does the national flag symbolize?
The flag symbolizes India's sovereignty and unity.
How do children participate in celebrations?
Children participate in performances and flag hoisting.
How are Independence Day celebrations in urban areas?
Urban areas have grand parades and ceremonies.
What are typical Independence Day ceremonies?
Ceremonies include flag hoisting and official speeches.
How does Independence Day influence literature?
It inspires literature celebrating freedom and national pride.
What are some famous patriotic songs?
Songs include Vande Mataram and Sare Jahan Se Acha.
How does Independence Day impact education?
Education programs include lessons on India's history.
What role do patriotic speeches play?
They inspire and reflect on the nation's journey.
How does the first Independence Day differ from later ones?
The first was simpler, later ones are more elaborate.
What kinds of events are organized?
Events include parades, concerts, and cultural exhibitions.
What role do freedom fighters play?
Freedom fighters are honored for their contributions to independence.
How does Independence Day impact Indian cinema?
It leads to films depicting the freedom struggle.
What is the significance of the Ashoka Chakra?
The Ashoka Chakra represents the eternal wheel of law.
How do local businesses participate in celebrations?
Businesses decorate shops and sponsor local events.
What kind of community service occurs?
Community service includes cleaning drives and charity events.
How does Independence Day affect international relations?
It showcases India's sovereignty and global presence.
How do early Independence Day celebrations differ?
Early celebrations were modest compared to today's events.
What role do Indian women play on Independence Day?
Women participate in cultural events and celebrations.
How does Independence Day influence sports?
It leads to sports events and patriotic competitions.
What are some early Independence Day challenges?
Challenges include logistical issues and resource constraints.
How does Independence Day foster national unity?
It brings people together to celebrate a common identity.
What are traditional Independence Day activities?
Activities include flag hoisting, singing, and cultural programs.
How does Independence Day impact Indian fashion?
It popularizes clothing in the colors of the national flag.
How do Independence Day celebrations differ annually?
Each year, celebrations include new themes and events.
How does Independence Day impact youth engagement?
Youth participate in cultural programs and patriotic activities.
What is the significance of August 15th?
August 15th marks India's independence from British rule.
How does Independence Day affect the Indian economy?
It highlights economic development and progress.
What role do educational institutions play?
Institutions organize events and educational programs.
How does Independence Day affect Indian traditions?
It reinforces traditional customs with a patriotic focus.
What impact does Independence Day have on tourism?
It boosts tourism through national events and celebrations.
How does the media cover Independence Day?
Media reports extensively on ceremonies and speeches.
What is Nehru's vision for Independence Day?
Nehru envisions it as a day of national unity.
How does Independence Day include local culture?
Celebrations feature local music, dance, and traditional performances.
How does Independence Day impact national identity?
It strengthens national identity and pride among Indians.
How does Independence Day foster community involvement?
It encourages community events and volunteerism.
What role does the Indian Army play?
The Indian Army participates in parades and ceremonies.